Big Y about to get this little meatball grinder, see what it do. So gotta look for the wife now. Jump cut. Oh, welcome back up here. Yo, I'm leaving the crib. I done forgot the motherfucking GoPro, bro. Like, yo, I'm gonna go do a fucking food review. What the fuck, yo? This shit right here? Oh my god, giving me problems to open up the goddamn door. Anyhow, you gotta go to motherfucking Big Y, dog, right? Cause, so the Big Y that we usually go to, they have like chicken, cutlet, you know what I'm saying, whatever, you got chicken parm and shit like that. But the one that we about to go to, it's in West Hartford. Bro, they got all type of motherfucking grinders up in that motherfucker. So I want a meatball grinder. The meatball be looking hella good. But I'm about to go see what they do, man. Usually, like I said, I go to Big Y and I get a motherfucking ham, cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, a little bit of salt, a little bit of oil. But today, we're gonna hit. Damn. Don't forget the shirt though. Gotta drop off my roommates to go wash clothes, and me and the wife about to go ahead with Juju. Go get some motherfucking grinder, some shit to eat over there. Junk up. Grab the camera. Say hi. Say yo, make sure you subscribe to Daddy's channel on Nation. And jump up. Welcome back, my people. So Peep, look at the grinder, bro. And look at the price, my dude. Yo, the guy from Big Y over here, look out, bro. And this is for my son. He got those chicken nuggets with the little french fries and all that other good stuff. So, yo, make sure y'all subscribe and all that. Let them know, G. Yo, we got a grinder, the meatball grinder. What we got, babe? Provolone cheese, meatball sauce, and the green peppers, sweet peppers, all of that. Shout out to my boy from the deli place. Hooked it up. You do find my channel. Oh, and hit that like button, already know. Right, Drew? And we got my boy some chicken nuggets with the JoJo. Let her know, Drew. No, don't cut. You, yours is coming right now, my boy. Let me get our shit together first of all. Ooh, let me turn it up. That's supposed to be for Jew, babe.
Making sure it's not hot.
Oh my god. Can I get a french fry though? No. I wanted a JoJo from the beginning, so I told you. Alright, look. Big Y in West Hartford, right? The wife works around this motherfucker. Samantha, come with me, come with me. Look at this. Look at that, look at that. Come on.
Good ginger ale. And I'm not sick.
Are you ready, babe? Yo, Pops with it, $8.99, yo. Look at this. Does that look healthy to you, or does it look healthy to you? How about Cheeros? There's one good ass meatball.
Of course.
Good ass meatball. No napkins though. Big Y, y'all need to have your own. Look, what I'm telling you right now, Big Y, I love y'all right here. Y'all need a little place to sit outside. That's what I'm saying. You hear my son in the back, he telling you. Another bite. Touch the red.
Not too much sauce.
It's perfect. Meatball's nice and juicy. Nice and
And the bread is not soggy. Thank God.
Eight.
It could be a little bit more crunchy, but it's not soggy.
You think some more? Want me to give him French fries? I mean, a JoJo?
I don't think he's in. No, he doesn't.
He done?
Then we should have our chips. How good, right? At 8.9.
8.9. So I just put a little bit of meat. I said 8.9.
It definitely would have been more up there if the bread was a little bit more like buttery, but
A little bit more toasted.
yeah.
He did toast it, but I should have told him extra toasted, but
That sauce is there.
Say, I love their pizza. So you know their sauce gonna be amazing. Damn, thank you, Big Y. $8.99 for a large one.
At Subway, that shit would have been like $15. Hey, what?
Hey, yo, that's that motherfucking review right there, cuz. Hit that like button, subscribe, share, all that good stuff, yeah. Big Y, West Hartford. Check them out, yeah. Junk out. Until next time, stay tuned and carry on, everybody.